This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming band size and condition so the watch sits where you want it. Once done, clean the watch back and your wrist. Oils reduce friction and make slippage worse. Next, swap to a band type that matches your activity: leather for daily wear, silicone for workouts. Make small tightening adjustments now. They're easier before sweat accumulates. If links are loose, remove or add 1/2 link using the tool. These steps set the stage for secure wearing. Once the basics are set, focus on how the watch sits when you move. You should place it about 1 to 2 finger widths above the wrist crease so it won't catch during flexing. Then engage the clasp fully and use micro-adjust holes or a keeper to lock any excess strap. This reduces rotation. For intense activity, add an anti-slip sleeve or an adhesive-backed loop under the band to increase friction. Make sure each change keeps sensors contacting skin without cutting off circulation. You finish by testing the setup with short, realistic movement to confirm stability and comfort. If the watch still rotates, tighten one click or switch to a slightly narrower band to prevent slack. Should you notice pinching or chafing, change materials. Silicone or woven nylon breathes better, or use a thin barrier cream. Avoid bulky pads that shift sensors. If a clasp fails, replace it immediately. Troubleshooting tip: persistent slipping usually means the band-to-watch fit or clasp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.